One person with this infection can spread it to 15 others in a year. It's tuberculosis. TB is caused by a bacterium called Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It spreads through the air just by coughing, sneezing, or even talking. It mainly attacks the lungs, causing a persistent cough, fever, night sweats, and weight loss. If untreated, it can become deadly. But here's the important part. TB is completely curable with early diagnosis and proper treatment. Awareness saves lives. Subscribe to Scienzia for real science that matters.